Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, the 9th of June 2014, we're going to be using the ICHIMOKU on the FX pairs, and we're taking it on the 4-hour chart. Before we start, once again, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, now, before we, let's kick it off then. Here we are. I'm actually not going to go in too much detail in terms of what each indicator is, or off the ICHIMOKU. This isn't a session for actual educational. It's just about looking at how we're taking the necessary trades. Okay, fine. So the first thing we're looking at is the Euro US dollar. I can't see any potential trades here right now to take, so I'll move to the next chart. Next chart, I can see the euro dollar looking quite positively for a short sell. I'm checking all the parameters and that seems to be okay for me, and I'm more than happy to give it a short signal. And what I'll do, I'll put a short entry here. If I can just get the thing down. Just a bit down. Okay, that will have to do for now. Make that a bit bigger. That's where we're going to take the entry. So I'll mark that entry for you. Okay, and then the stop loss will come about here. Put that on the ask price. So therefore we're not going to get stopped out and wonder why we got stopped out. Of course, the price can do whatever it wants to do, you know that. So we'll put that as a stop. Okay, I'm going to run through the charts right now, but these are the entries. In fact, that's moving down quite swiftly, so let's just see if we can get in that entry. Sell, and we want to sell. That's going to have to be a stop. And then we've taken that entry and we're going to go for a stop. Yeah, and we're going to try to put in rechange this to make it a little bit more interesting. 20 should do the trick, and that's our trade in, and we'll be triggered in the trade accordingly. Okay, fine. So we'll move to the next one. So as you can see, entry at 1.45581, stop level at 1.4713. Okay, let's move to the next one. Euro CAD. Do I see anything for the Euro CAD? We could take it up here, and we can put our stop loss down here. And let's move. That's good enough for me. That'll take a while to kick in. So remember this price point, traders, 1.49578 as the entry, and stop at 1.48075 for a long position on the Euro CAD. Move to the next one, Euro Pound. Euro Pound. What can we see in here? Do some house cleaning while we're here. Can't see much which would be that interesting for me right now, so I'm going to leave it, move to the next chart. Next chart. Right, okay, fine. So what we can see now, we can take it on the break of this actually, so we can put it at the high of this. Should price come back up again. Right, we can put an entry there. That's more of a breakout strategy, but that'd be good enough for us. And we'll put our stop down here. That's how quick and easy it is to make the decisions on this system. Euro Swiss, one of our favorite pairs that we had always been trading several years past. Things have changed a lot now. That's right, traders. We could be quite aggressive. Everything's looking a little bit suspect, tell you the truth. Price has come down. You can see the crossover there. We'll move to the next chart. Nope. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. No. Move to the next chart. US Japanese yen. US Japanese yen. Can I see anything? No. Move to the next chart. US Swiss. Can I see anything interesting to take a trade for? No. That's how quick and easy it is, traders, to be able to make your decisions in these particular trades. Well, lots of interesting things happening here. So let's just clean that up for a bit. We'll leave that. Pound CAD. Pound CAD. We could actually take a long position. In fact, what we'll do, we'll mark a few things off and then we can come back to them and have a look at them later on. We can take a trade at about this height here, right? And that's when things are going to get interesting for us. And we'll put our entry at 1.8415, okay? And we're coming down at our stop loss at 18224.2. That's the pound CAD, okay? So I'm just marking these off, and afterwards I'll go back and put the entries in. So I'm not going to make your video so long. Okay, fine. So let's have a look. Now we have the pound Aussie. Pound Aussie looks quite tempting for a short position at this low. So we have 17475 and our entry is at 1.8132. That's for a sell position. Pound US. Pound US, what are we saying for the pound US? Pound US. We'll leave that for now. Pound Japanese yen. Look at that. One of our trades is kicked in. Pound Japanese yen. That's the euro dollar for a short sell. So we're in that trade right now to sell. Let's go back to our pound Japanese yen. Pound Japanese yen, look at that. Look how tempting that was. We had put an entry previously at 171.615 and we would be free in the money right now. So you see, this is where the twist came. That's where price just started to rise up. Well, actually price went down then, but subsequently let's we can do an ultra conservative perhaps. That could be an interesting location here. So pound Japanese yen, 172.541 for a long. and the stop level at 170.741. You can see the crossover which occurred, which was a successful crossover, no matter even if it was below. So you can use different strategies in terms of lot sizes based on the crossovers where it's going to actually take place. That's right. So let's have a look. Aussie US dollar. In fact, what we'll do, we're going to go long on this position here. We'll put our stop loss just there, and we can take our entry. In fact, that's a very nice long position right now to be into if we're in there. Entry, stop loss. Okay, so entry for the Aussie US 0.9365 and stop loss at 0.92652, and I'll put that entry in right now to be sure that I'm going to be kicked into that trade. So we've put our entries in, take our stop loss level all the way down, and as you can see it's 100 pips only. Okay, Aussie Japanese yen, where do we stand with that? Look how it's just zoomed up. That's just like unbelievable. And you can see we had put our entries, how we had put our entries previously, way back from down here. Taking several entries, and we would have been sweet in the money right there. Anyhow, that's how it goes. What we're going to do, we're going to still ride these waves all the way up. Okay. So entry 95.972, stop level at 95.335, and I'll put that in because it's quite close to getting into a possible trade. Okay, next one is Swiss Japanese yen, and so we're on a decline right now there, as you can see. That's right, we're on a decline there, but that doesn't mean that we wouldn't take that trade accordingly, and we can put an entry at the top here. Where is it? Put an entry at the top here. Make sure we're on the right price. Okay. Put our entry there, and taking a stop loss all the way down there. So that's the entry 114.979 with stop level at 113.722 for the Swiss Japanese yen. And the last one, I think we've done it. I think we've covered them all. That's right. Okay, so traders, that's me. I'm ICI Tiger, showing you the FX using Ichimoku on the 4-hour chart. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.